In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Typeform responses effortlessly. If you're looking for a way to compile your survey data or feedback efficiently, exporting your responses from Typeform is a reliable and straightforward process. Let's dive into it. The first step is accessing your responses. Start by logging into your Typeform account. Once you're in, you'll need to navigate to your workspace. Here, you'll see a list of all your forms. Find and select the particular form from which you wish to export responses. After making your selection, move on over to the Results tab located at the top of your screen. From there, click on Responses. At this stage, you're ready to choose which responses you'd like to export. There are a couple of options for selecting responses for export. If your goal is to export all the responses, simply use the handy checkbox located in the header row. This allows you to select every response with just a single click. However, if you're interested in downloading specific responses, you'll need to go through and check each individual response that you wish to export. This customization can be really useful if you're focusing on a specific subset of data. Once you've selected the responses you wish to export, it's time to download them. Look for the download icon at the bottom of your responses table and go ahead and click on it. This action will bring up a pop-up window, offering various download options. Here, you can choose to download all responses, just the filtered responses, or only the selected responses. You also have the flexibility to decide between a CSV or an XLSX format, depending on which file type best suits your needs. Take note that if you haven't applied any filters or selected any specific responses, some of these options will remain grayed out and unavailable to you. Now, let's discuss your download method options. You can choose to have your results emailed to the address associated with your Typeform account, or you can opt to download them directly through your browser. It's worth mentioning that, at present, downloading filtered responses and files uploaded via the File Upload question must be done through your browser. If you've applied filters to your responses, or if you're downloading the responses to a file upload question, the email option will similarly be grayed out. Finally, once your file is downloaded, you can open it using an application that suits your needs, such as Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. These applications will allow you to view, organize, and thoroughly analyze your responses with ease. With these straightforward steps, exporting your Typeform responses is seamless. Use this process to keep your data well organized and ready for analysis. Thanks for watching.